Alright, let's see if we can get it to take off from this one. It'll be an interesting thing. No, it just does not have the power. It's experiencing that battery sag because the battery is so small. But I think if it had a larger battery, maybe just a little bit larger and more powerful, it could do it. But I'm very glad that it's no longer a fat bird that doesn't fly. It just doesn't fly very far. So that's still progress. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Likey